we put this thing up to the test. Oh, no, not my saw. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a magnetic pickup tool. Y'all know I reviewed plenty of magnetic pickup tools on the channel. Some of them have been broken by the kids. So yes, my kids actually broke a few of them. You know, they was doing whatever. I don't even know what they be doing, but they broke it. Well, I believe the youngest one broke it, but anyway, that's blah, 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 blah. I just reviewed a rack pickup tool with a light on it. And now I have two more pickup tools that we are about to review. But right now, here goes the first one. It says it lifts up to 20 pounds. We will definitely put that up to the test. A lot of times you're not really picking up nothing that's 20 pounds. Maybe unless you're in construction, you might have dropped something and you don't feel like, you know, going down and pick it up depending on the height or reach where you at. Some of us drop our sockets, we drop tools, we drop hammers, and that's why we need, I don't know why I'm cleaning up, but that's why we need a magnetic pickup tool. So it has a nice little clip right here. I don't know how much of importance this clip means to y'all, or, you know, especially on how short it is, and maybe you want a longer clip. I'm not sure, but the clip seems basic. Don't seem like it's too much to it. I know a lot of people don't use the clip, you guys. That's just, it is what it is. That's the era that we're in. But since I have my new mat here, let me go ahead and test it out for y'all. So the new mat is saying that this thing is 7 inches and it extends all the way up to 30 inches. You guys, I love this. I love this mat right here. This is the best mat ever. So it extends up to 30 inches. Now there is no bend on the neck. Do not bend this, okay? And that's one of the reasons why one of my other ones broke. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead to the garage. We are going to test this out on some heavy tools. Let's see if we can break the 20-pound limit. All right. And that will be it. So I'll see y'all in the garage. All right, you guys. So we are going to test out the magnetic pickup tool, 20 pounds rated. Now, I don't think I have anything that's 20 pounds, but we will try our best to put this to the best of its ability. So let's go ahead, and I'm a one-handed bandit on you guys. All right, I don't have no chest mount or nothing. All right, so there we go. And let's go ahead right here, just in case we drop our socket wrench. All right, so if we drop our socket wrench, it definitely picks that up. All right, so you don't have to worry about that. Now let's do a wiggle test. I'm wiggling, you guys. You see that? All right, so it takes a lot of force of wiggles to get that out. I need to pick up all of my ratchets. All right, I just dropped that down. There we go. All right, let's try these jack stands. Oh, well, it's not locked in. I'm taking it off the lock. All right. Let's see. Oh, no. All right, so it did the top part of the jack stand. But as far as the whole jack stand, it's not lifting it up. All right, we got this mallet right here. Let's see. Boom. I know this is old, right? Got tape on it. This is an old one, you guys, but it works. All right, so it definitely picks that up. Now, let's say you are a carpenter. You drop your saw, I don't know, the next level down, even though this probably won't go the next level down, but you drop your saw. Let's see. Now I should pick this up. I don't think this is 20 pounds. Let's see. There we go. All right, we put this thing up to the test. Oh, no, not my saw. Oh, you guys, only on this channel you will witness this madness. All right, you guys, so that will be it. I don't want to break none of my tools in this daggone house. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.